So today I am taking a tour of the floating markets and the railway market. That's why I want to sit in the back. And I'm gonna check those out and then see where the day goes from there. I'm really excited. It's one of the big attractions here in Bangkok. So let's get to it. My guide recommended this coconut ice cream. It's not very sweet. It's so good. No, I don't like chicken. Thank you. Okay. It's like pork belly, but even softer. coconut sugar. Tastes a bit like maple candy, but coconut. Finally back in Bangkok. It's about 4:30 right now. The bus brought us back to this mall, really big mall in the Chinatown area. So just gonna walk around here a little bit. They have the same maid cafe I went to in Tokyo. That's kind of crazy. Good. This looks really good. Oh, thank you. Okay, so other people are putting their vegetables in this soup, so I'm doing the same. I got some pumpkin and some corn. Looks like I left just in time. There's a huge line now. This place is popular. I'm gonna get something sweet and then I'm gonna head back to my hotel and call it a night. Do some reading, some R&R and sleep in. Custard cream. It's good. It's not that sweet. It's like a very lightly sweet pancake almost. I'm so glad I decided to check out the railway market and the floating market. I saw a tour. I didn't really know a lot about it, but both of them turned out to be really cool. It was really exciting to see how everybody packs up all of their stuff that they're selling and then puts it back out when the train passes through for the railway market. Super wild, never seen anything like that. So overall, really good day. Yeah, I got to check out that MBK mall, which was really cool. Have a really good dinner, and I'm looking forward to the next one.